Hey guys, and welcome to this episode of Life Happens, Let's Fix It. So today was a Saturday, it's a rainy day, so of course I'm stuck inside, and what better place to be than in my shop, right? So today I decided to solve my power grid problems. Maybe not once and for all, but I definitely wanted to get it better than what I had before. So I have a small shop. I'm pretty much restricted to this fourth of the garage. I kind of have half of the garage, but I also have a 5x9 trailer in here that I have to share with. And so anyway, my current situation for my power grid is that I have one outlet on the other side of the garage. So what I've been doing is I've run this guy from that outlet over to here, and I'm constantly dragging this guy around depending on whether I need to use my table saw or my miter saw or my sander or my bandsaw or my drill press. Whatever I need to use, I just drag this over, and then if I need my shop vac, I gotta pull it out from under wherever this is at to use my shop vac, and it's just a lot of moving around and wastes a lot of time that I could be using for project work. So we'll show you what I did to solve that problem today, and show you how I run my shop off of one outlet. So I went out to the store and I got two 25-foot 12-gauge extension cords, and there's lots of these charts around. I'm not sure what this one says. I didn't use it, but I'm assuming they're all the same. So my garage is about 25 feet. And so I think over 25 feet moves you up to 12 gauge. And we're up to 15 amps. So 12 gauge will take you up to 15 amps for 25 feet. And this even says up to 15 amps for 100 feet for a 12 gauge. So anyway, I went for the 12 gauge, 25 foot heavy duty indoor outdoor. It's got a three, I forget what they call it. Anyway, it'll do 3 outlets off of the one. And so I bought 2 of those, and I also bought, instead of buying conduit and outlet boxes and all that mess, I just found this 12 outlet super power strip, and it's at 14 gauge. And so it's kind of at the end of the line, but I've already mounted it on the wall, and man, that was easy. Took like 2 minutes, right? There's just 2 screws. It's a 4-foot long bar, so it hit the studs perfectly. And now I've got 12 outlets for my drill press that I just dragged out of the basement today, my miter saw, and then my sander. Check out my other video where I review this belt sander disc sander combo from Harbor Freight. Sander. And then my bandsaw has the bandsaw itself and a light. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 right there. So that'll be great. No more of this mess. This is what I had before. Had them plugged into a triple extension cord, and just plugged that one into my little reel cart. All right, so the first step, I'm just gonna run this from my one outlet to get that over here. That'll be my first leg. So my garage has a nice little expansion joint between sections of concrete floor, and it worked perfect for running my extension cord in, so it's not a trip hazard. And a little later on the video, I'll come back and put some duct tape to cover that up. All right, so this is the cord running over to my other section over there to plug into the power strip, power bar that I mounted on the wall. So there's my table saw and my power to the other side. And I've still got one outlet left here. Plug in the shop vac. I've already run my cord under the rolling miter saw station. So now it's just a matter of getting that back against the wall. We'll just coil that up underneath the miter saw station. Out of sight, out of mind. So the last thing to do is take some duct tape, and you'll notice I ran this in the cut of the concrete floor so it won't be a trip hazard. So worked out good for me. Hopefully you've got a crack in your garage floor that you can use. There you go, quick easy project to solve your power grid problems. Hopefully you got some ideas from how I fixed up my power grid here in my shop, and will help you to fix things when they go bad in your life. So next time, I hope you'll join us on Life Happens, Let's Fix It. If you want to get notified when I post new videos, please click that subscribe button and click the notification bell. And also, if you like this video, smash that like button. And we'll see you next time. Take care.